So, hello guys. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the functions. So first, what is the functions? Function is a organized code, reused code that perform a specific task. The function are defined by using def keyword and a function name and a parenthesis and a colon. To call a function, we have to just simply type the function name. So here I am going to define a function now. So first we have to mention the def keyword and a function name and parenthesis and a colon, and I just give the value to inside this function print hello. If I call this one, now it will print this statement, right? So I just call the function using function name and a parenthesis. So I just save this one. If I just run, so it's called hello. So that's how easily we can define a functions and we can call the function. So here next I am going to tell you what is the parameters and what is the return value. The parameters is allowed to accept the input, make it more flexible and reusable using this function, right? Using this function. So here is I mentioned the parameter as a name. So in the previous video, I did string operations like how to join two strings. So here is I am joining this hello with this name variable, right? So I just use plus here and a name and also plus and right here we are joining these two string. So I just call this function and I have to give the value to this parameter also now. So I just give a name to this. So if I save this one and run this, so you can see here it will say hello Twitter. So it will make more clear. I just give some space here. So I save this one and run this. So you can see here hello Twitter. What is the return value? So return value is we are defined a function. Function name is at numbers. We have defined a function name is add numbers, and we just open parentheses and give number 1 and number 2 as a parameters, and we are going to return the value which is number 1 plus number 2, right? This is we are going to return this number 1 plus number 2. If I pass any value to this number 1 and number 2, this function will do the plus both together and return the addition value of num1 and num2. So if I call this function now, I will pass two numbers 10 and 20, and I will give the print statement. So if I save this one now and if I run this, so you can see here the answer, which is 10 plus 20 is 30. So this is the return value. So here now I am going to tell you what is the scope and lifetimes variable. So here you have two type of variables here, two type of scopes here, in the local scope and a global scope. So in the local scope, you have to define the variable inside the functions. So I just make a function as a name function, and here I define my variable here. I just define result as a number. I just give here number parameter and do, right? So I just return this result value. So this is the local scope. So if I call this function now, name, so I just have to add the print, which is name, and I just give a number as 10. So if I run this one now, you can see the output is 100. So this is the local scope. So what is the global scope? So global, where we are, I just give a name here. I just tell I'm global. So if I now define the functions, name is n, and I just print this global variable here, and I just call this function now. So I just run this one. You can see here I am global. So that is a global scope variable defined outside from any function that can be accessed anywhere in the program. So you can access this variable anywhere, any functions and anywhere in the program. You cannot access this variable anywhere. That is so this is why this is a local scope, and that is why this is a global scope, because you can access it anywhere inside the code. This result variable you cannot access anywhere in the code. So I hope you understand the functions. What is the here we talk about how to define a function and how to call a function, and also how to pass the parameters and return value. We also talked about the what is the local scope and what is the global scope. So if you have any doubt, comment down below and like the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel, and keep you updated. I will post our next module, which is our next module is data structure, which is we are going to talk about list, tuples and dictionaries, and basic operation of a list, tuple, dictionary, and nested data structures. So subscribe to my channel and please like the video and give me a feedback, because I want to know you can understand this or not. So please comment down below if you understand or not. So see you guys in the next video.